Parsley has been cultivated by man for the last 2,000 years and was originally used as a medicinal plant, and only later on was it considered to be a seasoning. There are two types of parsley, the one with the curly leaves, which has a mild flavor, and the one with the flat leaves, otherwise known as Italian parsley, which has a peppery flavor. The nutrients found in parsley include vitamins A, C, E, and K, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamins B6 and B12, pantothenic acid, flatus, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphate, zinc, potassium, and copper. Parsley's health benefits include diabetes and rheumatoid arthritis control and osteoporosis prevention. Furthermore, it acts as an analgesic with anti-inflammatory properties, relieving gastrointestinal problems such as indigestion, cramps, bloating, and nausea, and helps strengthen your immune system. Parsley can 1. Help with diabetes. Traditionally, parsley was used as diabetes medication in Turkey. In order to scientifically validate its use, a study was performed in the Marmara University in Istanbul in Turkey. The research showed that when diabetic mice were given parsley, their sugar levels improved throughout the course of a month, so the study indicates that it can be used to treat diabetes. 2. Control rheumatoid arthritis. Parsley is also very good at treating rheumatoid arthritis. Compounds such as vitamin C and beta-carotene found in this plant have anti-inflammatory properties that help control arthritis. It is also believed that eating parsley regularly quickens the uric acid removal process, which has been associated with arthritis symptoms. 3. Help prevent cancer. Some labs in Minneapolis in the USA extracted a compound called myristicina from parsley oil. A preliminary investigation of this compound indicated that it has anti-cancer properties. 4. Reduce inflammation. Parsley has been used in the Mediterranean area to treat toothaches, sprains, bug bites, and some skin problems. According to research done at the Ray Saud University in Saudi Arabia, parsley has anti-inflammatory properties and can also prevent hepatitis. The anti-inflammatory properties reduce internal swelling, while the properties that prevent hepatitis help clean your liver. 5. Help with osteoporosis. Parsley is very effective at maintaining bone health. Osteoporosis occurs due to low calcium levels in your body, and parsley is considered to be one of the best sources of calcium. It also contains the appropriate quantity of folic acid. 6. Strengthen the immune system. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants found in parsley are very good at strengthening your immune system. Studies have shown that parsley contains antioxidant and antibacterial properties, making it great for home remedies. 7. Help you with your diet. For centuries, parsley has been used as a diuretic and to control several different diseases, such as kidney stones, urinary tract infections, and gallbladder stones. So eating parsley daily is a great way to cleanse your whole body. In order to use it correctly and get the most out of it, you can drink up to 3 cups of this recipe a day. Here is how to make it. Ingredients: a handful of parsley leaves, 1 liter of water. Instructions: cut the parsley into small pieces and put them in the water as soon as it starts to boil. Turn the stove off and let the water cool. Next, all you have to do is enjoy your tea. If need be, you can store it in the fridge. Important: excessive parsley consumption can have side effects, so pregnant women, breastfeeding women, kids, and people with kidney stones should avoid eating too much of it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.